Hello and welcome to EasyHR Software Demonstration by Delicate Software Solutions. Let us see why we need this software. First of all, organize employee records. Second, avoid any fines due to expired documents. Third, save your valuable time you spend on payroll calculations. Let's see what the scope of this software is, and have overview what this EasyHR software offers. In Employee Profile Management, you can maintain complete profile of your employees. Keep employees' basic details, contact detail, salary information, passport and visa details, expense and issued assets, salary increments and vacation history, etc. All those documents, which a company takes care for their employees, like passport, visa, labor card and Emirates ID, etc. EasyHR reminds you to renew those documents before the expiry date. Not only the reminders, you can attach all these documents along with their record. Yes, you can attach unlimited documents in almost all file formats. In one click, it can prepare payroll. It takes basic salary, plus allowances, minus deductions and creates salary statement. You can print pay slips or email, all in one click. You may enter overtime and absence or import from Excel file. EasyHR creates WPS Sif file automatically. You can maintain your company details. Software reminds you to renew your company trade license, tenancy contracts, company vehicle registration and unlimited other contracts. You can attach unlimited documents with company record. Oh yes, you can have unlimited companies. EasyHR starts with user ID and password. Enter default user ID as admin and password as also admin, then click login. The moment you log in, you land on this dashboard, where you can see all the documents which are expired or going to expire soon. If any subject starts with a number, means you need to pay attention, any document is going to expire. If all starts with no, means all is well. You can double-click on any subject and software will open the document with details of all expiries belong to that subject, which you can print or export into PDF or Excel file. You can define how many days earlier you want to get reminder for each subject. Let's have a quick look on all modules. Employee Management, where we maintain all employee profiles. Payroll, where salaries are processed and maintained. Cash advances given to employees are maintained under here. Loans, you can maintain here vehicle details, record vehicle expenses and other details. These are some masters and settings for EasyHR. We will go through these little later. Company Master, to list down your unlimited companies, and all documents belong to your companies. Create here users, and define software access rights or permissions for them. Here are some very useful reports. All reports are redesignable by user. This is live support tool, for any online support you may require from us. And now, we will go through each and every module and see everything in detail. Let's start with Company module. In Company module, you can create unlimited companies. On left-hand side, we have a list of our all companies. And right side, we can see complete detail of selected company. Just click New, fill up basic information with trade license details of company and click Save. That's how you can create unlimited companies. And now, let's move to Employee Record Management module. Left side we have a list of all employees. And right-hand side, we have detail of the employee, which we select on left side. Simply click New and fill up complete details of employee and click Save. That's how you can list down unlimited employees. Whole employee detail is organized under various tabs and well categorized. Here we have basic details, contact details, employee salary and bank details, passport and visa information, experience qualifications, salary increments and vacation history, miscellaneous details with issued assets, expense and complaints and employee document attachments. Let's enter employee basic details. Under Basic Details, enter employee name, department, designation, grade, work site, date of joining, Emirates ID with expiry date. Fill up personal details and insurance details, etc. You can also attach employee's passport-sized picture here. Here we can enter local contact details of employee, home country contact information and any local reference. Under Salary, you can enter employee's personal number, which is on labor card, employee's bank or exchange, IBAN number and basic salary. If you pay the overtime, you can assign here overtime formulas. For normal days, Fridays and public holidays, etc. You can create unlimited formulas under Settings, we will see little later. For WPS purpose, you can define here how you are going to pay him salary. None means cash or check. Excel format mostly accepted by exchanges or C format which is accepted by banks. You can list down all fixed allowances given to the employee as per contract. Simply click Add. Here we have a list of all defined allowances. Choose the allowance, enter amount and then click Save. This gross salary is calculated as basic salary plus all allowances. Here, you can list down any fixed deductions to be deducted from employee's salary. These are recurring deductions, which will be deducted from salary every month automatically. Simply click Add. Here we have a list of all defined deductions. Choose the deduction type, enter amount and then click Save. So every month, EasyHR will calculate monthly salary automatically as basic salary plus allowances minus deductions, and will prepare standard salary for the month. And you can make further additions and deductions for the particular month under Payroll module. Under Passport and Visa Details, enter here passport details with expiry date. Fill up here visa details and labor card details along with expiry dates. So based on these expiry dates, EasyHR will show expiry reminders on the dashboard. Experience and Qualifications. Here we can list down all qualifications of the employee. Simple click Add, fill up details and click Save. Here we can record previous work experience. Click Add, fill up all the details and click Save. Salary increment and vacation history. Here we can keep salary increment records. Click Add and enter increment amount, then click Save. Salary increment history helps you to take decision if it's right time to give increment when someone requests. Here we can maintain history of annual vacations. Click Add, select vacation start date, rejoin date, software suggests leave salary and you may enter paid ticket amount, then click Save. Every time you send an employee on vacation, enter here a record. EasyHR will automatically calculate that as per date of join of selected employee, his total vacation entitlement is shown here, total taken vacation and balance vacation days in his account. You can take print out of vacation history. Employee miscellaneous records. You can list here any other renewable documents belong to employee. EasyHR will show renewal reminder for these documents, as per expiry dates under MISC reminders on dashboard. Under issued assets, we can enter the records of every asset given to the employee like phone, laptop, etc. with date and remarks. When employee is leaving the company, you can take the report of issued assets and ask the employee to return back those gadgets. Expense and complaints. Here you can list down all the expenses occurred on the employee. Click Add, type expense description, amount, date and click Save. Click Print, and you can get a report of all expenses occurred on the employee, which you can print or export to Excel or PDF file. And same way, we can input all complaints against employee along with remarks to take a report later on. Document attachments. As name suggests, you can attach here unlimited documents belong to the employee. Click Add, type here document title, click here to browse the document on your computer and click Save. That is how you can list here unlimited documents in Word, Excel or PDF format for each employee. You can double-click on any document listed here, and that document will be opened and make changes or print. So here are some highlights of employee profile management. We can have unlimited employees, document expiry reminders and unlimited document attachments for each employee. We can also maintain salary increment history, vacation history and complaints against employee. Keep record of issued gadgets, expenses on employee and of course salary breakdown. EasyHR offers to print complete profile of the employee with all his detail and records. Let's move to payroll now. Because payroll process involves employee loans or cash advances etc., so better to take you to loan management first. Under loan management, you can see list of all issued loans. Here we have employee names, with loan issue date, loan amount and installment amount. To issue a new loan, click New. And you will get this form, where reference number is auto-generated. Enter here loan amount, installment amount to deduct from salary and name of the employee, then click Save. Let us move to payroll now. In payroll management, left side, payroll is maintained in folders of years, and under years, we have months. Select a month on left side, and right side you will see salaries calculated of all employees for selected month and year. Let's see how you can process payroll for the month. Click New. And you will see the payroll processor. You can select the month, date for the payslip and click Process. EasyHR takes basic salary plus fixed allowances, minus cash advance deductions and fixed deductions, and calculates the salaries of all employees. To see how this payroll is calculated, there are 2 or 3 ways. Click Print and select here Salary Statement. And you will get salary statement of selected month with breakdown of salary of each employee like name, basic salary, total of fixed allowances, variable allowances, deductions, absent deductions, loan deductions, and net salary with grand total of all columns. You can take printout or export to PDF or Excel format. There is another way to see the salary breakdown of any one employee. Select the employee, click Print Payslip, and you get here print preview of the payslip. You can take printout of all payslips for the month or any selected employee. Here you can see detailed payslip with basic salary, fixed allowances, fixed deductions, any defined loan installment with net salary in numbers and words. You can define signatory places etc. by yourself. You can take printout of all payslips for the month or for any selected employee. In case you like to make changes in payroll of selected month, for example, to give any extra allowances for the month, any deductions, overtime or absence etc. Double-click on employee name, and payslip will open in edit mode. Here is the basic salary, total of fixed allowances, as per defined allowances in employee profile. To add extra allowance for the month, click Add. Select allowance type, enter amount and click Save. That is how you can add unlimited extra allowances for the month. Here we can enter overtime. Per hour rate is automatically calculated as per assigned formula. We can enter here total overtime hours for normal days, Fridays and public holidays etc. Then here you get payable OT amount. To add extra deduction for the month, click Add. Select deduction type, enter amount and click Save. That is how you can enter unlimited extra deductions for the month. Loan deduction. Here we have a list of automatically deducted cash advance installments for the month. You can change the installment amount for the month in case employee requests, by double-click on installment record. Absent deductions. Simply enter here number of total absent days in the month and EasyHR will deduct amount for absence automatically. And here you get calculated total payable salary amount to the employee. Optionally, we can input here, on which project, how many days an employee worked along with overtime on that project. Accordingly, EasyHR can produce project-wise cost report by dividing salaries of employees as per number of work days on each project. There is another way to enter overtime and absence for all employees quickly. Click here and you will get this manipulation interface, where you can enter absence and OT hours for each employee and press enter to move to next cell. It is almost same as you enter values in Excel file. EasyHR calculates salaries automatically as per entered values and saves automatically. If that sounds time-consuming to input absence and overtime, because you have large number of workers, we have another easiest method for you. You need to prepare an Excel file with employee code, total absence in month, total normal OT hours and total weekend OT hours. No matter which column is first or second, EasyHR can import data from the Excel file. Click Import OT, and you will get this interface. Click Browse to select the Excel file. All columns created in the Excel file are populated in these drop-downs where we can map the columns. Once you have mapped the columns, click Show Data, and EasyHR will pull the data from Excel file and displays here. You can still manipulate the data here if required and then click Upload Data. EasyHR will hit the salaries of all employees, as per absence and OT hours. So there are 3 ways to input or import absence and overtime. You can choose the method suitable for you. To get WPS Sif file, click Sif file. And here is your WPS file prepared. Click here to save in Sif file or save in Excel format. In one click, you can email payslips to all employees. Click Email Payslips, and here you have list of all employees with their email IDs entered by you and their profile under Contact Details. Click Email Payslips Start, and EasyHR will start delivering payslips in PDF format to each individual email ID. In Payroll module, you have many salary statements in different groups like department, designation, contract type, work location, WPS or non-WPS and by project etc. All these statements can be printed or exported into Excel or PDF format. You can redesign all these reports and statements as per your needs of different columns. Let's move to Vehicle module, where we can keep record of all vehicles of our company. Left side, we have list of all vehicles, and right-hand side, we have detail of the vehicle, which we have select on left side. Simply click New and fill up details of the vehicle and click Save. That's how you can list down unlimited vehicles of your company. Under Usage History, you can list down employees with date periods who have been using this vehicle. Simply click Add and fill up required details to save record. Under Repair History, you can list down expenses occurred on vehicle with expense description, date and amount. You can get report of all expenses on the vehicle whenever required. Simply click Add and fill up required details to save record. Under Manage Documents, you can attach unlimited documents belong to each vehicle. Let's move to WPS Routing Codes, which are useful to prepare SIF file. Under WPS Routing Codes, we have already listed all UAE banks and exchanges with their routing codes. You may list new record by clicking New, in case any new bank or exchange comes in future. And now, it's time to get into EasyHR Settings. Under Expiry Reminder Settings, you can set how many days earlier you want to get reminder of document expiry for each subject. Under Email Settings, you can configure outgoing email ID. All emails sent by EasyHR, like payslips, email circular, etc. will be sent through this configured email. Under Overtime Settings, you can define unlimited OT formulas. Just click Add and type formula name, and then type salary stands for salary of employee, and then any mathematics like divided by 30, divided by 8, multiply for 1.25 or any other figures. These formulas are assigned to employee under salary section to calculate 1 hour OT rate. Commonly used formulas are predefined in the software. Under Gratuity Settings, you can define limited and unlimited gratuity formula. Commonly used formula is predefined in the software. However, you can change the formula by double-click on the row, or by adding new rows. Masters. It is important for you to see how you can set up masters. Under Masters module, left side, we have list of all master types, and right-hand side, we have values or records of master, which you have select on left side. To add more records under the selected master, simply click New and you will get this interface, where you can type the new value and click Save. That's how you can list unlimited records under each master. Remember, all drop-down values in the EasyHR are loaded from these masters. Let's have a quick look at Company module, where you can define your companies. Under Company module, left side, we have list of all companies, and right-hand side, we have detail of company, which you have select on left side. You can create unlimited companies here. Simply click New, fill up the basic details of company along with trade license information and click Save. Now you are done with company basic details. Let's move towards tenancy contracts and insurance records. Under Tenancy Contracts section, you can list down unlimited tenancy contracts belong to your company, and EasyHR will remind you to renew the contract before the expiry date. And here, you can list down unlimited insurances belong to your company, and EasyHR will remind you to renew before the expiry date. Under Miscellaneous Contracts, you can list down all other unlimited contracts or documents belong to your company, to be reminded you before the expiry date. Under Manage Documents, you can attach unlimited documents belong to your company. User Management, where you can create software users and assign permissions. Click on Users, and here you are in User Management. You can create unlimited users. Simply click New, type username and password. You can assign permissions for each module and each section under every module. Simply click on box next to Module section to turn it to red or blue colored. Blue colored means permission allowed and red means restricted. As name suggests, click on Reports to get reports in EasyHR. You have list of all reports upon clicking on Reports button. Select any report and click Preview to see the report. All reports can be filtered by relevant parameters. All reports can be printed, exported into Excel or PDF format. And of course, you can redesign all reports as per your requirements. Last but very useful, Live Support Tool. Click Support and you will see this support tool, which will show your ID and random generated password. Call on our support number and give this ID and password, and our support expert person will be able to connect to your computer to help you. This is basically TeamViewer license tool, integrated in the EasyHR. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed and got useful information about EasyHR.